Workplace comfort is a big deal. When things like temperature, air quality, light, and sound are right, they can boost productivity, lower operating costs, and reduce your carbon footprint. We created Roast to help you assess, manage, and improve comfort inside your building, no matter how large or small. Here's how it works. Build your survey using our proven preset questions and customize them as needed. Upload your floor plan, add users, and you're off. Results will be illustrated on a heat map, giving you a clear visual of what's working well inside your building and where you can improve. Using insights from Roast, users have successfully maximized employee productivity and building performance. Roast is simple, fast, and free. Get started now with a free 14-day trial to see how comfort science can work for you.